So I'm going to show you how to hide and unhide photos on your MacBook Neo. Now you can do this with the photos in the Photos app. So let's say you want to hide these two photos. So what you need to do is select the photos. You can even press the command button and select multiple photos. And then once you select those, right click and from the menu select hide photos. Whatever number of photos you selected, just go ahead and hide. So those photos are now going to be hidden. Now, anytime you want to access hidden photos, then you simply open up the library again and then go to view, and then you should see show hidden photo album. Click on that, and then now you can see the hidden photo album right here. Click on it, and then of course to view the album, you need to put in your password, and then now you can see hidden photos. It's really that simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.